Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check friend list on the Township application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my town, and if you want to check your friend list, go to the person icon at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can check your emails. For example, invited friends. You can check your friends, and you can find different friends. And if you want to be friends, for example Farrell, click to the invite button and the request was sent. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.